How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Samsung AC error code C422. Now, to explain before we proceed, basically the error code on your Samsung inverter air conditioner indicates a communication or refrigerant flow fault. Now, it is commonly caused by low voltage, a refrigerant leak, or an indoor or outdoor board failure. And lastly, a faulty communication wiring between the indoor and outdoor units. So the initial troubleshooting steps are going to be hard resetting the air conditioner. So to do this, we want to turn off the circuit breaker supplying power to your air conditioner. Wait for around 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, this allows the capacitors to discharge. From there, you could also check your voltage. If you're experiencing brownouts or low household voltage, the unit may trigger this error, so ensure that your wall power meets the required operating parameters. And lastly, you want to inspect the wiring. Check the physical connecting wires between the indoor unit and the outdoor condenser. Look for signs of burning, corrosions, or loose terminals. If there is, your wirings must be fixed. So those are the initial troubleshooting steps. For advanced checks, it could be somewhere from the refrigerant leak, pressure check, we have sensor malfunction, PCB or motherboard failure, but of course this needs technician. But generally it just revolves around the wirings and the actual voltage of your household. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.